So hey viewers, welcome back to the channel everyone. This is Dr. Ankit Kanojia, graduated from O State Medical University, Kyrgyzstan, and in this video I'll be doing unboxing and review of prep letter notes. This is gonna be the first ever unboxing and review video on this channel. Damn excited for it. So sit back and enjoy this video. Let's rock and roll. So I took prep ladder membership back in February 2020 and it's almost now 13 months since I'm using this prep ladder app, and everything is going great. My FMG preparation is going nice with this app. This app I will recommend for those who completed third year or fourth year. After fourth and third year only you can jump to this app, because before jumping to this app you need basic concept and basic knowledge. Without that you cannot use this app, because in this app they will not teach basics. They will assume that you are graduated, you are like in fourth year, fifth year, so you need basic knowledge and concept to use this app. So I do not recommend prep ladder for those who are first year and second year students. So when I took the prep ladder membership, I was pretty sure that I am not going to take any notes because I believe in myself handwritten notes. I don't understand the notes those who are written by other students. So I believe in notes that are prepared by self, because I know each and everything where I have pointed and where I have highlighted things and what I have written, for which purpose I have underlined this statement and all. So it is very easier for me to learn from the notes that I have prepared by myself, and I recommend this to all students who are in first year and second year, that they make their self handwritten notes and don't rely notes of other students or notes of any institute or coaching classes. So please guys, make your own notes. That will be very helpful for you in the preparation of FMG. So I almost made half of the subjects, like 8 to 10 subjects notes in OSH, but the remaining 8 to 9 subjects were remaining and the time permit was not there, because in August I was about to give my FMG exam, but later on this virus and all came and that postponed, and my eligibility certificate also got stuck in Delhi, so I was not able to write this August exam, and also I missed the December one. So I am right now preparing for FMG in June 2021. So what happened is my 8 to 10 subjects I completed in OSH, but like 9 subjects notes were remaining and time was not there. So I ordered these notes. I got these notes for like 5,000 something. I don't remember exactly, but it was some around 5,000 to it was some around 5 to 6,000. And the membership I took was FMGE Champions Blueprint. It cost me around 22,000 at that time. So in some ways I found these notes very helpful, and in some ways it was very difficult for me to use these notes. So let's talk about the positive and negative of this prep ladder. There are some pros and cons in this prep ladder notes. So first we are going to talk about the pros of these notes. Okay, so when you open the prep ladder notes, you can first of all see the index is very simple and the chapter names are written in a colorful way. The topics are written in blue color and subtopics are written in red color, so it is easy to the students to choose the topics as you move forward. So this is the first chapter of the radiology, and you can see it is very simple to read. The handwriting of these notes are very nice and it is not causing strain to eyes, so it is very nice. You can learn up to 2 to 3 hours easily without any strain in your eyes. The second best part in these notes are they are colorful. As you can see, there are various colors in this. The main chapter heading is written in blue color and the subtopics are written in green color, as well as you can see the main points which are highlighted in red color. So it is easy to students to learn from such kind of multicolored notes. So it is very handy for us to study like this. Moving to the third positive point, there are various images. Okay, so this was the problem I was facing when I did not had these notes. Actually, when I started preparing for radiology and dermatology, that time I used to learn from this lecture, but when I used to revise the notes which I made handwritten, in that there were no images, so I used to search on Google. Otherwise I used to watch that video again for the images. But what happened is in these notes, as you can see, If you are learning radiology, you can see CT scan images, X-ray images, as well as in dermatology you can see various kinds of skin disorders, skin disorder images, etc. So it is quite easier to study when there are image side by side to look for, and there are a lot of tables also. So if you are learning for the first time, you can see there you don't have to remember the whole sentence and all. You can just see the table and learn in quick ways. So these were the positive points of these notes. Now let's talk about the negative points, the cons. Okay, so first problem that I faced is these notes are not written by me, so it is difficult for me to learn to grasp more quicker ways. Actually it is an individual choice. Many guys don't face any problem, but I am right, I have habit of making own notes and studying my own notes, so it was quite difficult for me to learn with these notes. But in starting phase it was difficult, then later on I got the habit of learning from these notes, so now it's all sorted. The second problem is the notes are written in very short ways. Like if you see the notes, if you see these notes, then you will see that in lecture the sir will explain everything, they will build concept, but in notes they are written in a short ways, in very shortcut. So as you can see, the size of this dermatology notes, it is very thin, so pages are less, so they have all compressed everything in this much small notes, so everything is in a shortcut. So you have to write each and every point again. This was a time consuming for me during my FMG preparation, especially in pharmacology where mechanism of action is very important to learn. So in this prep ladder notes, the mechanism of action was written in very short ways, and it is very difficult to learn like that. I found difficulties in pharmacology as well as in derma and psychiatry also. Every terms were written in very short ways. I do not recommend this prep ladder notes for learning subjects like pharmacology, psychiatry, and I do recommend these notes for subjects like dermatology. You can find many images, so it is easier for image based questions, and also you can learn radiology very easily with this subject with these notes. Overall, if I have a choice for rating this notes, so I would have given 7 out of 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you found helpful, then please give like to this video and share it with your medical friends, and hope you guys like the video. If you did, then make sure you like, share and subscribe. This is Ankit Kanojia signing off. Take care. Bye bye.